In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay Hostinger monthly. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by opening Hostinger.com in your browser and locating the top navigation. Click on Pricing to view the different hosting options. This brings up the main plans and makes it easy to compare features and costs. Next, choose the hosting type that matches your needs. Most people select web hosting for a standard website, but options may include cloud hosting, WordPress hosting, or VPS. Spend a moment reading the short descriptions so you pick the right category for your project. Once you're in the correct category, pick the specific plan that fits your traffic and resource needs. When you see a plan you like, click Add to Cart. That moves it into the checkout flow so you can set the billing period. Under the Choose a Period section, select the 1-month option. Monthly billing gives you flexibility and lets you try the service without a long commitment, although it often comes with a one-time setup fee, so expect that to appear in the total. You'll be prompted to create an account or sign in. Enter an email address you control to create the account, or log in if you already have one. Use a secure, unique password and enable any recommended security features like two-factor authentication later on for extra protection. Now select your preferred payment method from the available options. Hostinger typically offers methods such as credit or debit card and PayPal. Choose the one that works best for you and matches your billing preferences. Enter your payment details and billing information into the required fields. Make sure the billing name and address match what your bank or payment provider has on file to avoid declined transactions. Check that the page shows a secure connection. Look for HTTPS and the padlock icon in the browser bar before submitting any sensitive data. Before finalizing, carefully review the total price. Confirm the monthly plan cost and note the one-time setup fee that may be listed separately. Account for any taxes or currency conversions if they appear on the invoice so there are no surprises. When everything looks correct, click Submit Secure Payment to complete the transaction. After the payment processes, you should see a confirmation on screen and receive an email with activation details. Your hosting will be activated according to Hostinger's normal processing time, and you're ready to start building or migrating your site. And that's it. You've successfully paid Hostinger on a monthly plan.